The 19th Guizhou Tourism Industry Development Conference is held in Anshan, southwest China's Guizhou province. Many guests have gathered here to discuss the development of the tourism sector. How do they feel about the rich tourism resources in Guizhou? Let's find the answers together.
I'm very impressed with what Guizhou has to offer. I think that Guizhou's natural scenery is a very positive opportunity to learn about the history and culture of the region, finding a link to the past through meeting and seeing the local culture is quite exciting. I believe that if we promote in-depth tours to come and see the region, there is a potential for cultural immersion.
一下飞机，哇，这个机场蛮漂亮，然后就送我去途中的酒店途中，看见很多很漂亮的公路，很漂亮的山跟水，这里面可发掘的潜力非常大。
I think that is wonderful. My clients for many years had to apply for visas which were quite cumbersome. For Australia, China originally had a 15-day visa-free period, which they've now increased to 30 days. It has made the whole process of visiting China much easier. I've experienced it firsthand. I was very impressed. I'm very confident that tourism will grow here. I think there is great potential for future tourism.
It removes the barriers, makes it so easy, removes any hesitation a traveller has to access this fantastic country. So I very much support that.
是一个真正让外国人了解中国的最好、最直接的途径。现在中国有这么好的政策，真的是增加很多的外国的客人来到中国来看啊、考察、旅游啊。